One TV Patrol.
Bagong liderato sa local PNP gihagit ni Mayor Indy Uaminal. Dili ta pwede mapalpak, dili ta pwede mahulog ang atong bula diri sa Ozamis. Kini ang ligong mga pulong nga gipadangat ni Mayor Indy Uaminal ngadto sa bag-ong nihulit nga officer in charge sa Ozamis City PNP nga si Police Lieutenant Colonel Harvey Abellanosa. Gusto ni Mayor Indy Uaminal nga mamintinar o mapadayon kung unsay nahimo ni Police Major Dennis Piñastano sa Ozamis sulod sa duha ka tuig. Dili mahimong mulugak ang liderato sa local PNP ning syudad tumikan kay kung umahugno ang Ozamis mo iskala ang insidente sa tibok probinsya. Hinoon, kumpiyansa ang mayor nga adunay kapabilidad si Police Lieutenant Colonel Harvey Abellanosa nga pamunuan ang local PNP sa Ozamis. Nasabtan sa mayor nga dili sayon og hamay ang responsibilidad sa usa ka hepe labi na nga sa Ozamis na nimuyo ang usa ka kwarto sa populasyon sa probinsya. Apan gipasalig ni Mayor Indy Uaminal nga anaa ang presensya og ang tibok asenso administration padayong mupaluyo sa aktibidad og mga programa sa Ozamis City PNP.
To our newly assumed Chief of Police, sir, so I was listening to your speech. No, you're right. There are challenges that we have yet to face and challenges that are still coming. The fight, the war against drugs is continuous. The efforts in order to maintain peace and order require constant action. And Ozamis really is a critical city. It is a critical location. Not only because it holds more or less a quarter of the population here in the entire province, but it is strategically located that if Ozamis reverts to how it was before, if Ozamis reverts to the sad situation it was before during the time when illegal drugs proliferated so freely in our streets, no, then dili magdugay, the rest of the province will follow also. So that is how critical, your position is, your responsibility is. And I have to share with you that when we were discussing who would carry the heavy burden of being the Chief of Police of Ozamis, it was a collective decision with our provincial and district leaders in recognition that dili ta pwede mapalpak, dili ta pwede mahulog na to ang bola diri sa Ozamis because it will have dire implications in the district and in the province as well. So we talked about all the permutations, how the leadership, the change in leadership will play out, and it was determined, that you will be capable, you will be able to carry the burden. We believe that you can maintain what was started by Major Tano. You can maintain what the Ozamis City Police Station has been known for the past 2 years. And I want to assure you that you will not be carrying the burden alone.
One TV Patrol.